If you want to completely disable or enable Gemini or Google Assistant on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, here's what you can do. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings, and then in settings we can scroll down and we can search for the Google option. Once you open Google services, we should be able to switch to all services in here, and now we can scroll down in order to search for the search assistant and voice option. Once we go over here, you want to go to Google Assistant even if you use Gemini, and in fact if you do use Gemini, then you want to go to the digital assistants from Google, and then over here we can switch from Gemini to Google Assistant, and we need to confirm our choice. If you already have Google Assistant selected as the digital assistant from Google, the main one that you want to use, then of course you can skip this step. Now once we do that, we can go to General, and then we can turn off Google Assistant and confirm your choice. And there we go. Now, of course, besides that, in order to fully deactivate Gemini or Google Assistant, you can also disable gestures and shortcuts. For example, if we go to Accessibility and Convenience, scroll down over here and choose Power Button, then we can find press and hold the power button, and by default we use it to activate Gemini or Google Assistant, so we can switch that to the power menu. And also, if we go to System and Update, and then go to System Navigation, then over here we can find Digital Assistant from Google, which is the gesture. We can swipe from bottom left or bottom right corner inwards in order to activate Gemini or Google Assistant, so of course we can turn it off as well. And there we go. So this is how we can completely turn off Gemini or Google Assistant. Now, on the other hand, if you want to turn it back on, then of course we can turn on all the shortcuts and gestures again. So let me quickly do so. There we go. But besides that, what you can also do is you can simply open the Gemini app. So if you open the Gemini app, you will have to confirm that you want to turn it on. Then we have to confirm that we want to use Gemini, and that is pretty much it. Now Gemini is once again reactivated on your phone. And if you prefer to use Google Assistant, then we can tap on this Google profile that we have in the upper right corner. And then you can choose to switch to Google Assistant over here. And then once again, just confirm that you want to switch. And that's it. Leave a like and subscribe.